Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this vanilla cake. First, we are going to need some margarine. You can use butter if that is what you prefer, but I'm going to be using margarine in this video. I'm using half cup of that, and into a bowl I'm going to add in some sugar. You can add the sugar depending on how sweet you want your cake to be, but this measurement is just perfect and normal for this type of cake or the quantity of cake. If you want to reduce your sugar content, just go ahead and use a lesser quantity as you prefer. Now we are going to mix this very well until the sugar mixes properly with the margarine or the butter. Mix and be patient with it. Mix in the same direction so that everything becomes smooth. If you are just mixing anyhow, you will not have a smooth consistency. They might form some lumps and all of that. So let's just mix this in the same direction as you can see on your screen. So you mix until it becomes very soft and fluffy. By then the sugar has well dissolved and it has mixed very well with the margarine or your butter. Now let's scrape the sides. You can see that we have some of the butter around, and this is what we want to go in for. Now let's go ahead and add some eggs. We are using 2 eggs here. That's, like I said earlier, we are just using the quantities that will help us to make this perfect cake. So if you want to make the same quantity as you see in this video, then you should follow these steps and you should check the description to get every single measurement you need to make this. We introduce some milk at this stage and we are mixing very well before we go in with our flavor of choice, of course, and this is vanilla flavor since we are making vanilla cake. So we will mix this very well, and now we introduce our dry ingredients. So it's very important here, you do not want your mixture to be too thick, so you just add 1 cup here. We are just using 1 cup for this, and it's very important not to forget your baking powder. Use baking powder here and not baking soda. So I use 1.5 cup, a teaspoon of baking powder. So that's what we go in for. We are going to mix these until we get a very smooth consistency. And I would like to use this opportunity to thank you all for stopping by. If today is your first time, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you do, kindly hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. Also share to your friends and loved ones. And of course, you should share your thoughts in the comments and ask your questions there, because I'll read every comment and respond to each and every message you have for me in there. Now we are going to get our baking pan at this stage, and when you get your baking pan, it's either you grease it with some butter or margarine, or if you have a baking paper, just line in with the baking paper and you are going to transfer your butter into it just like this. Now we are going to beat this to take out some air, and after which we put it in the oven and bake for about 25 minutes, and you have all the details in the description. And now our vanilla cake is just ready. This tastes so good, and I would like to thank you all for watching. I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe and bye.